Hi guys, today my brother is gonna cut a tree, but I'm gonna show you guys because I bet you guys want to see, right? Of course, it's my brother cutting a tree, so you can't really see him cut the tree anywhere else, so you guys can see, right? Now, let's get into it. Yeah, so we probably are gonna get like a little bit scared because of the chainsaw, but what to worry. Guys, I guess the wire is not coming, so we're gonna move this tree. It's very big. Oh. Alright, now the wire is able to move. So he'll be cutting the tree and kind of that part right there, over there, because it's a little bit too short. And on there, I'm going to cut the close is going to fall on us, because that's going to be crazy. We don't want that happening to me or my camera, at least. So I guess he needs like glasses, so I think he'll but let's see what else he needs to do, because we got like these trees that live in the forest, and what's this? That goes has caught the water very heavy. Let's see if I can lift it with one hand. I mean my other hand. Oh, guys, I can. It's not that hard. Oh, I'm not touching that anymore. Oh, shoot, guys. That piece just slipped me, bro. Guys. Oh, that's probably one of the trees. Right now, we're really going to call these. Which I haven't noticed that until I came here. But I guess we're gonna see him cut this. Oh, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. I'm pretty sure he's gonna put that tree. He's going into bed, so we don't really want it anymore. So you might, or maybe another guy. Cause look at that. Like, he's just taking those trees. Right? Now, look how many branches that is. That is crazy. And it's long, the chainsaw is just longer than him. I mean, why? Why is it like that? The electric thing is gonna off, I guess. Oh, they're throwing it down. They're throwing down. They're. Look crazy, guys. Look at that. Now you're gonna see some different places. Like over here. See? Good now. Look at that big branch that he just cut. Oh, the tree trunk peeled off. But who really cares? My dad wants him to cut it over there. But, oh, bro, there are little kids over here. They're gonna die. Alright, let's see this careful moment of this chainsaw going everywhere, and my brother is literally throwing this chainsaw. And I'm really scared right now because it's on my direction. So watch this thing just go cutting. Alright, that was a big impact. But if you cut that, bro, that's big impact. Let's hope it doesn't matter. Alright, anyways, he's not gonna cut that tree with a small chainsaw. And it's big and tall, but the chainsaw part is just small. Let's hope it's not done. Guys, because I realize you guys want to see more. And it's not big impact, but my dad's looking for the part that he wanted to cut it here. And he wants him to do this somewhere here. And my dad is holding the chainsaw. So you click the safety thing and then you press the button, basically. Oh. Let's hope we don't need, oh my god. I can't have fun. Alright, let's hope this is totally happening again. Because probably not.
Yes, I told you.
It's really all the way there. So we connected in a garage and it went behind the tree all the way here, all the way here. We have more wires. But here it's really gonna be oh no. That might be impact. Guys, oh, not that, not there, not there. Guys, that's, I think another tree a little bit separated from there. But it looks connected. If you look into the branches, kind of not connected, but maybe it's connected inside the ground. Oh, no impact, but I think it looks goofy. Oh, he wants to put grass in there because the grass isn't there. Well, lots of grass there. Okay, a swing there. I have a swing there, but really useless. That's impact from that tree. How was it cutting the tree?
Good.
Very good?
Yeah.
You like the chainsaw, huh?
Yeah.
Let's chainsaw a little bit more. Dad is still cutting those trees. But, I mean, it doesn't look good here. That bad. But we don't want it to go on their side. They need to ask my mom if they should cut that tree. So I'm gonna have to cut that tree because it's damaging fence, but maybe we'll do it another day. It's the sound of the fence. Squeezing on the trees. Oh. Guys. Yeah, we're gonna fall back right over there. So, yeah, guys. And if if we do this one more time, definitely will take another video. Sorry for the shakiness of the video, but it's just that we have to have chainsaw sounds, so scary, but also we're gonna go. Bye. That was it for today's video. I bet you guys had fun watching my brother cut the trees with a chainsaw. It was kind of funny, but he liked it. It was cool.